In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Overwatch 2 Discord server. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But in order to join the Overwatch 2 Discord server, you're first going to want to go ahead and back out of Discord and open up a web browser of your choice. Once you get to the web browser of your choice, in my case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use whatever you'd like. And on top of that, you can use a mobile device. As long as you have Discord, you're good to go. Essentially, go ahead and find the browser and click on it and type in Overwatch 2 Discord and then hit enter. And the very top link right here is going to be the official Overwatch 2 Discord server. Now, I will say this is community run, so keep that in mind, but it does have 593,000 members, so it's pretty much the real deal. Overwatch 2 doesn't necessarily have its own Discord server like Overwatch does. If you do want to join the official Overwatch Discord, just simply type in Overwatch. But from here, go ahead and click on the Overwatch 2 link and it'll open up this page right here and immediately redirect you into Discord where you'll be prompted to accept that invite. Simply go ahead and select that invite and you are good to go. You will need to read the terms of service before you can actually see any channels and chat yourself. So make sure you do that. But yeah, this really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe. It really does help with the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.